So we have been looking about Twitter ads for quite some time now. So we have three more goals that we need to complete with respect to Twitter ads. Okay. So we tried the reach, video campaign, pre-roll, app installs, okay, website clicks. Okay. We have goals like engagement, followers, and app re-engagements. Okay, we will try to do all these three right now. Okay. So engagement, okay, which is basically a campaign that is used to increase the like, comment, share, or any activity that is related to your Twitter tweet. Okay, so if you just click on this one, so get more people to engage or connect with your product or services. Okay, so select on this engagement option and move on to the next screen. Okay, so once you confirm your goal, okay, so we have the objective is engagement here. Okay, name the campaign. Okay, so okay, post engagement. Okay, and the payment source, credit card or debit card, and the daily budget. Okay, we have been dealing with all these systems, as earlier. Okay, in the previous campaign to almost 99 percentage of the whole campaign creation looks similar. Okay, the goal is different, and the algorithm that is going to work behind this setup is different. Okay, it works with a different intention or a goal. Okay, so the daily budget and the total budget. Okay, so as I've already told you, total budget is used only when we have a end date for the campaign. Okay, and the start date automatically is calculated based on when we are creating the campaign, and end date, if you need, you can go for optional. Okay, so even based, time based, limitation based programs will be with the okay end date. Otherwise, we can go with ongoing campaign, the campaign that is running with the regular stuff. Okay, and when we explore the advanced concepts inside is the standard pacing. You want to show your advertisement to the people frequently, or throughout the whole day, evenly split, or within a shorter period of time. Okay, as it is told already, the total budget is defined when we have a end date, and we run a advertisement campaign with the end date when we are having a limitation with respect to the timing. Okay, that is one option. So we are having this option with end date with the limitation the timing. Okay, and then another one is the accelerated. The delivery method is accelerated. This is basically you know to show your advertisement to those people within a short period of time. It may not be distributing your advertisement evenly throughout the day. Okay, now so the next option that we see, let me add the group name. There's a small difference between the Google ads ad group and Twitter ads ad group is Twitter is completely giving option for us to configure this ad group level settings, sorting from budget to delivery to bidding type. But with respect to Google ads, okay, we have a very limited condition. Okay, budget cannot be controlled with respect to Google ads in ad set level or ad group level. Okay, but with respect to Twitter, okay, we can control the whole budget schedule and everything, campaign level also, and also ad group level also. Okay, so engagement. So this is the engagement. Okay, so if you want, you can customize this ad group. Okay, so we have defined campaign level in the previous option. Okay, so we are actually doing it right now in the ad group, ad group level here. Okay, so the time and the end date, okay, and the total budget with respect to ad group. So we are not defining anything with respect to ad group because we are done with campaign level. Okay, frequency capping, how many times your advertisement wants to be shown to other people. Okay, this is basically the frequency capping. Okay, if you want to show it to people very lesser time, okay, so you can go out and configure with a custom cap. So by default it is 2 impressions per 7 days. So for the whole 7 days, an advertisement will be shown to the same user only 2 times. If you think showing to the same user several times will help you, you can go out and make sure that some, okay, 7 times on 7 days. So approximately 1 time per day. Okay. By default it is 2. Okay. Now there is something called measurement option. Let us see if it is required. We will explore it later. Okay, audience measurement tag and double click tracking. Okay, so these are the two different methods. Okay, audience measurement tag means like inserting a tracking code inside your website. Okay, now remember, it is a engagement campaign, which means you have a Twitter tweet. That tweet needs to be reaching more people. It has to increase more tweets and retweets, something like that. So there is no need for audience measurement tag and double click tracking. The reason, because you are not going to go out of your Twitter ad platform. So we don't need this at this point in time. We will discuss about the measurement tag a little later. Okay, the demographics, men or women, whichever the gender you want. If you want to run on both, select both. Okay, and age range. Okay, all age range. Okay, purely our choice. Okay, the limitation is very less because it is applied for a global market. The age limit starts from 13, but with respect to India, the age limit starts from 18. Okay, 18 and up. Okay, 18 to 24, 18 to 34, 49. So we cannot customize it. That's the small challenge we have. Okay, so age range you can customize them. Okay, and target country, location. Okay, you can go with broader location. Major metropolitan cities you can go, but the smaller regions we cannot go. That is one. And the next option is, it is only the location based targeting. There is no radius targeting option available here. Okay, like we have it in Facebook and Google. There is no radius targeting available here. Okay, language, whichever the language that your customers are speaking, you can add or you can leave it like as it is, so that Twitter takes by itself. Okay, the next stage comes with the devices, where you want to show your advertisement to the iOS, Android, desktop. It's purely your choice. Okay, preferably I will go with showing my options to other mobile, Android and iOS, rather than on the desktop. Okay, because people use social media platforms a lot on a smartphone than on a computer in recent days, and they invest their traveling time to learn a lots of stuff inside the traveling zone. Okay, whenever they travel, okay, they end up spending lots of time. Okay, here. So if you look at this option, different devices can be used to target. Okay, there is also option for device model, carrier. Now if we go into each and everything, there is going to be a little different. But when we know what kind of client we are going to support and what kind of carrier or device model, when we target, the result is going to be better or more, we can go with that very specifically. Okay, custom audiences. Okay, when we have a database of people, we can upload this one to other, the database, I mean the Twitter's details, and automatically those audience will be used for targeting. Okay, else if you don't have a custom audience, okay, you can go ahead and create your own audience by defining the targeting features. Okay, which keyword you want to target. Okay, what kind of audiences you want to target, which type of interest that people are interested in. Okay, whatever the stuff that is related to it is what you have to fill each and every option. Remember, lots of things are optional here, so that nothing is mandatory. Okay, but we should understand our client requirement and what they want to achieve end of the day by looking at these advertisement campaigns and all this stuff. Okay, and we should help them to get their advertisement reach the right audience. So we should do a research on what kind of audience that we need to have to show all this stuff to them. Okay, by creating all the information and where your advertisement needs to be shown. Okay, for the Twitter tweet engagement, it should be shown on profiles and also search results. When you check out other people's profile, okay, it will be shown and also with the search results. Okay, so when you come down, it is going to tell me which creative I'm going to use to proceed. Okay, so campaign will serve you until you have something. Okay, so let me reload. Okay, and if you see, there are tweet which were already published. Okay, like Google Analytics Pro video, it's a promo video, something like that. Okay, and I want to have this video to be increased, or digital is a common platform or all. Okay, so if you look into this one, I can select this tweet. This will be used as a creative here, and I can simply click on preview, and this is how it will look like. Okay, and my intention of promoting this particular content is to increase my retweets. Okay, I tweet it and other people will watch it. When they promote, this becomes a retweet. Okay, so I will increase the total number of retweets, and my campaign will go live. So automatically, once you go over and click on the next screen, okay, you get the summary. Okay, in the summary, you have something called a post engagement that contains details like objective, start date, end date, daily budget. So whatever we have defined in the initial campaigns, okay, is given as a summary. And if you want to go make any changes here, okay, hit on back button, go make any changes out there. Okay, again hit on another back button to make the changes. Or once you have done the changes, you can go to the next screen and then to do all your activities, and finally you can launch campaign or you can exit it. See, remember, if you are using a Twitter platform to practice creating advertisement campaigns, you can come to this stage and never click on the launch campaign option. Okay, once you click on the launch campaign option, automatically it will go to the payment gateway and it will be stuck there. And only when you update your payment information, you will be able to create other types of advertisement. That is one challenge we have. Okay, so preferably if you are really running a real-time campaign, you can go ahead and update your payment information and proceed with launching a campaign. And if you are doing it for your practice purposes, I suggest you to stop it with the review itself and click on the exit button so that it will go away from here, so you can practice a lots of campaign creation. Okay, it's all about hands-on experience. Okay, so try to put lots of time and effort on creating these different types of campaigns by yourself, by assuming different ideas and combination and coming out with the advertisement campaign types. Okay, and that's the way to go. And what we have seen till now is the engagements campaign, and we will be seeing about the followers and app re-engagement campaigns in the other videos too.